Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you a quick catch up because it's been a while since I've done a video. So I wanted to do a quick catch up and I wanted to also show you the simple steps that you need to build an affiliate site that will make you money. It doesn't have to be an Amazon site. I'm going to walk you through that now. And if you can do these steps by the end of this video, you will be in position to make money. You'll know all of the steps needed to make money. And if you want help with these steps, I'm doing a webinar tomorrow. So it's actually taking place on Thursday, June the 9th. You can find the details. I've put the link below. You can watch this video. Essentially what you're getting, big difference here. You're getting a webinar that will showcase a product, actually show you a product that's really well worth, I've researched this, so it's well worth promoting. I'll give you all the keywords, easy to rank, a high-end niche as well. But here's the difference. Instead of just a webinar where you get all that information, which is really good, what I'm also giving you is a complete 10-day coaching course for this specific product. So if you've ever spun your wheels, or if you've ever thought, it's all good information but I don't know what to do next, come and join this webinar. I've put the link below. Once you're there, check out the video and it will explain everything you get. It is taking place tomorrow. It will be completely recorded as well. So it's taking place on Thursday, June the 9th at 1 PM EST, and there's also a full recording. You get templates in there, you get the 10-day coaching which is specific to the niche as well, and you can grab your spot here. So check that out below if you want extra help with this stuff. And in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview. So this is really cool because it will help you get the steps that you need to know to be able to make money. And I'll make them really simple. I'm going to give you a broad overview now because once you get these, then you can sort of either join the webinar or research more information about how the specific points. I've been making videos for over 10 years on this channel going through these points, so you can also check out some of my other videos as well for more information. Okay, so here we go. Number one, the niche. Okay, to make this really simple, you can pick the niche off Amazon, and if you don't like the commission rates from Amazon, just pick another affiliate network. ShareASale, CJ, Affiliate Window, Affiliate Future, WebGains. Any of them will do, because you get people, you know, if someone's selling garden sheds and they've got a site on ShareASale and they're selling garden sheds, there's people searching for them. So you can just use, if you don't want the commission rates from Amazon, just use another affiliate program. For the simplicity, I still recommend Amazon because you still get popular products and you still get products well worth, you know, promoting on there, high end and low end, and it will get a lot of traffic. So number one is picking a product from Amazon. I'll show you this tomorrow. You can also check out on this YouTube channel, I've given loads of free niches away over the years, probably about 20 videos, if not more, 30 videos showing free niches. So if you need some free niches, check out the rest of my videos on the channel for some free niches. That's the first part. A good niche, the main things you're looking for are plenty of searches and that you can actually rank it. Okay? Number two, once you've got the niche, the next step is the keywords. For the keywords, I use something called Keyword Finder. It's a suite of tools from Mangools. If you didn't want to pay for a keyword tool, you could use Ubersuggest and just be aware of the limits. But you're just looking for keywords. So this is the way it goes. With an Amazon site, for instance, you're going to have your product reviews, okay? And once you've got all your product reviews on there, let's say you've got 10, 20 product reviews on there, then you go into doing the keyword content. So with the keyword content, you're just looking for relevant keywords and you're spotting opportunities. One of the simplest ways I can tell you for this step two, it's not as simple as this, but look at this. Mangools keyword tool, and down here Nike Pegasus, for instance, trainers, 30,000 searches and only 29 on keyword difficulty. Yes, it goes into more analyzing these results and seeing what's ranking and seeing whether you can compete, but just as an example, a really quick way is you can build up a good set of keywords. If you just went for the lowest competition keywords and you picked out 10 or 20 of them and you wrote in-depth content, you would rank for some of them and you would get traffic. So very simply, That's how you can get keywords together after you've done your reviews. Okay, so the next thing, the third thing, is tracking. Okay, for tracking, really nice and simple to start. Google Search Console and Google Analytics. You'll be able to track your clicks, your impressions and your position, and then you use the tracking data, which takes a while to build up, but you use the tracking data to see what you're ranking for and to see where opportunities lie. I'm not doing it at the moment with this site because it's still it's got so little content on, but that's exactly how you do it. Okay, so you've got those three things. You've got the niche, you've got the keywords, you've got the tracking, and then you either keep the site and build it up, so as you start getting traffic through and as you start building up, people will go through to the site. The only thing that you have to look at then is if you're not getting sales, it will be the click-through rate or the targeting. So it's very rarely the targeting with these sites because they're ran off SEO, so you can't rank for a keyword. If I'm writing an article on garden sheds, I'm not going to rank for dog collars. It's just not going to work. So the targeting's normally not the problem. The click-through rate can be a problem. If the click-through rate is a problem, you just increase the amount of affiliate ads on your site and put more click-through rate, more contextual ads. And then the last part of it is this. Okay, so the last part of it is either keep the site and build up, and some of your sites will make $50 a month, some will make 100, some will make 200. That's really very much to do with how well you're spotting opportunities, whether you're taking advantage of all the keywords. That's a different topic, but that's the way it works. Some will make more than others and you build them up, or you can sell it. Okay, so a site that's built up and ready to go is worth money. A site that's making a bit of money, $50 a month, is worth good money. So you can then go and sell the site, as you see here, on Flipper every single day. Okay, so the reason that I've made these very simple steps in a short video is don't overcomplicate those steps. That's literally what it is. There's no such thing as a perfect niche. Even if you found one, you're not guaranteed to rank for it. Okay, so the way I would do it is pick 2 or 3 really good niches and then target them, like work on them and keep going until you're actually set up and running. And just bear in mind those steps. Watch through the video, take note of those steps and get so you're able to do those things. Okay, writing the content, doing the keywords, keeping the consistency up. If you can do that, you can make money, and that's all it is. If you want help with it and you want a complete course, come and join us. It is tomorrow, so it's very short notice, but I've put the link in the description and you'll be able to get access, and it will give you everything you need. The webinar will showcase the niche and explain exactly why it's a good niche and show you the competition and the keywords and all of that stuff. You'll get a full overview of the niche and why it's good, and also the commission rates. And then you get a complete course to go with it, which is 10 days, where you go step by step, and it's targeted towards that specific niche. So if you have trouble implementing this stuff, you won't do any more, and I'd love to have you there. So check it out. The link's below. It is very limited because it's limited to 15 people. There's a few spots left, and it's taking place tomorrow. And yes, there's a complete recording. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe, do give us a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you there tomorrow. Cheers, guys.